This is the stepper motor steps per mm calculator for CNC machines and 3D printers, which calculates the precise steps per millimeter your motor needs to move accurately. Let's go through each input field. First, we have the Microstepping drop-down menu with options ranging from 1 for full step, 2 for half step, and continuing with 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and 256. For this demonstration, I'm using 16 microstepping. Next is steps per revolution, or SPR, which is typically 200 for most stepper motors. The lead field requires the millimeters per revolution, usually 2 for a standard lead screw. For belt-driven systems, enter the belt pitch in millimeters, commonly 2, and the pulley teeth count, often 20. After clicking Calculate Steps per mm, the calculator processes these values to determine your steps per millimeter setting. This critical value tells your controller exactly how many step pulses to send for each millimeter of movement. The result ensures your CNC or 3D printer moves with the precision you need, whether you're using a lead screw or belt-driven system. Find the link in the description below.